Yes, students. So today we will discuss about another solid sphere. So you are already familiar about tennis ball and football. So what is sphere? So this is the example of a sphere. The definition of sphere. Every student try to understand what is the definition of a sphere. A sphere is the set of a sphere is a set of all points in a space which are at equidistant which are at equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point is the center of the sphere. The fixed point is the center of the sphere. So this is sphere. So this is the center of the circle. Sorry, this is the center of the sphere. Center of the sphere and equidistant is called radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. So O is the center, OA, OB, OC, OD. So these are the radius of the sphere. The distance between 2 points which passes through the center is called the diameter. The distance between 2 points on the circumference of the sphere which passes through the center is called a diameter. So diameter is the distance between 2 points on the circumference of the sphere which passes through the center. Passes through the center. So this is the sphere. This is the distance between 2 points on the circumference which is is passing through the center. Center is O. So AB is the diameter of the sphere. Have you understood? Once again I am repeating the definition of a sphere. A sphere is the set of all those points in a space, not in a plane, in a space. In a space which are at equidistant from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the sphere, and the equidistant is the radius of the sphere. And diameter is the distance between 2 points on the circumference of a sphere which passes through the center is called diameter. Now I will discuss about the area of the sphere. So every students will try to understand area. I already told what is the area. The space covered by the boundary is called area. So sphere has only one face. So this is sphere. So sphere has only one face, and this is curved face. So if I will cover this sphere with thread properly, so you can understand now. You will cover with the thread. It means I will cover properly, and then I will open the thread, and after cutting the thread I will cover the fourth circle with same radius. If I will make four circle with same radius, what is the radius of a sphere, and I will cover this sphere with thread, and I will cut the thread, and then I will cover each circle. The length of the thread, try to understand what I am telling to you, how you find the area. So first I will cover this sphere with thread. Properly I will wrap the thread all over this sphere, and then I will cut the thread, and I will cover the thread like this. There should be no space. Cover it properly, and similarly this one also cover properly, and this one also cover properly. So which thread is used to cover this sphere? Then I made four circles with same radius, and after cutting the thread I will cover each circle with that thread which is used to cover the sphere. Then you can understand easily, this circle is covered with the thread, this also covered with the thread, this also covered with the thread, this also covered with the thread. And you already know area of a circle pi r square. So how many circles are covered with the thread? Four circles. So area of circle pi r square. How many circles are there? Four. So pi r square plus pi r square. So there are four circles. Area of a circle is pi r square. Then area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, because the thread which was used to cover this sphere, and after that I made four circles, and four circles are covered with the same thread which is used to cover the sphere. It means the area of the sphere is equal to the area of four circles. So area of one circle is pi r square. So there are four circles. So area of four circles means 4 pi r square. So this is the area of a sphere. Now hemisphere, what is hemisphere? If I will cut a sphere through the diameter, so I will get like this. It means bowl. You are already familiar about this shape. So this is hemisphere. Hemisphere means half circle. Half sphere. So hemisphere has how many faces? One face is this. It means circular, and one is curved. So total surface area of a sphere was 4 pi r square, and this is half. It means area of this portion is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Pay attention and try to understand. These are the main points, and every students, I hope you need to understand the main points and the concept how we derive the formula to find the total surface area of a sphere. So now sphere is cut in hemisphere. Now after cutting, I got two faces, one is circular and one is curved. So curved portion is half of hemisphere, half of sphere. So total surface area of sphere was 4 pi r square, and this is half, it means 2 pi r square. And this is circle, so area of this portion is pi r square, because area of circle is pi r square. So total area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Have you understood? So I will get the area of hemisphere. One portion is curved and one is circular. There are two faces. So area of hemispherical portion is 2 pi r square and circular is pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. I hope you have understood. Total surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, because this is half hemisphere and this is circular portion, it means pi r square. So total becomes 3 pi r square. So area already measured in square unit. If centimeter square, centimeter, decimeter, you already know this thing. Don't forget to put square unit when you are finding the area, otherwise 1 marks will be cut. If area you are finding, so don't forget to put square. So area of sphere 4 pi r square and area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now every students will learn these two main formula which is related to areas. Now some questions related to areas. So one question: radius of a sphere is 7 centimeter. Radius of a sphere is 7 centimeter. So we have to find curved or total will be same, because sphere has only one face. So total area or curved area will be same for sphere. Total surface area of sphere. What is formula? Pi r square. Pi r square. If value of pi is given, then you have to take that value. Otherwise, you already know the value of pi is 22 by 7. So value of pi 22 by 7. 4 pi r square. Sorry. Total surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. So 4. Value of pi 22 by 7. Radius is 7 into 7. Understood? Area of sphere 4 pi r square. Value of pi 22 by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. So 7 cancel to 7. Now multiply them. So 28 multiply by 22. So 28 8 is 176 and 22 4 jar. So 1 28 8 are 176. So 22 are 44. 44 and 17 will be 44 and 17 will be 61. Understood? So this is total surface area of a sphere. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now radius of the sphere is 7 centimeters. Same formula you can find for a hemisphere also. Radius of hemisphere hemisphere is 7 by 2 centimeter. So we have to find curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere. Find total surface area and curved surface area of hemisphere. So this hemisphere radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. So this also 7 by 2 centimeter. This also 7 by 2 centimeter. Curved portion is 2 pi r square and total 3 pi r square. So curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Value of pi you already know, 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2. 2 cancel to 2, 7 cancel to 7. 2 11 are 77 square centimeter. This is curved surface area of hemisphere. Now total surface area of hemisphere. Formula is 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. 3 multiplied by 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Is it clear? Yes. So 7 cancel to 7. 2 11 are. So now multiply them. 11 3 are 33. Multiply by 7. Divide by 2. 230 1 by 2 square centimeter. 2155 square centimeter. So 115.5 square centimeter. This is the total surface area of hemisphere. Any doubt, any confusion? Only formula based exercise. In this chapter, if we learn the main points of formulae, then we have to apply only formula. Full chapter is related to formula based. Now next, one more question. The diameter of the earth is 4 times that of moon. The diameter of the earth is 4 times than moon. So we have to find the ratio of their total surface area. Because what is the statement you are understanding, and in book also this question is given. So the diameter of the earth is 4 times than moon. So I will assume the diameter of moon. Let diameter of moon or you can assume radius. Let radius of moon, because that will be easy. Let radius of moon r meter, or in kilometer also you can assume. Let radius, because this will be small, kilometer. Radius of moon r kilometer. Then total surface area of moon, total surface area of moon. What is the formula for finding total surface area? 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, square kilometer. This is the total surface area of moon. Now radius of earth will be 4 times than moon. Then radius of earth will be 4r kilometer. 4r kilometer. Total surface area of earth of earth 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, 4 pi, 4 square is 16 r square. So now multiply them. 16 4 ja 64 pi r square, square kilometer. This is the total surface area of earth. Now we have to find the ratio of the areas moon to earth. Ratio of the areas, area of moon by area of earth. Area of moon 4 pi r square, area of earth 64 pi r square. R square cancel to r, pi cancel to pi, so 16 4 ja 64, so 1 by 16, it means 1:16. The ratio of the areas moon to earth is 1:16. Have you understood? Any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Now one more question related to areas of sphere. Question is, the surface area of a sphere is given. The surface area of a sphere is 5,544 square centimeter. So we have to find its diameter. Find its diameter. Find its diameter. What is the statement? The surface area of a sphere is 5,544 square centimeter. so we have to find its diameter. So solution, total surface area. Total surface area means TSA. Total surface area of a sphere is 5544 square centimeter. This is total surface area of a sphere. Therefore, 4 pi r square is equal to 5544. So value of pi is not given. So you can take 22 by 7 multiply by r square is equal to 5544. So we have to find diameter. So to find diameter, first we will find radius. So r square, to find r square, so 5544. So take the reciprocal, 1 by 4, 7 by 22. 7 by 22. So now cut them. 11 2 are 22, 11 5 are 55, 0, 11 4 are 44. Any doubt, any confusion? So again 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4. This also clear? Now cut it by 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12. So r square will be equal to 441. 7 multiplied with 63. So 441. Up to any doubt? So r square is equal to 441. So r square, 441 is square of 21. So you can write 21 square. So you already know if both the sides we have square. So to cut square, we will take square root on both the sides. On taking square root both the sides. On taking square root both the sides. Both the sides. So r square. Now you will take square root. So this is the symbol of square root. Now square cancel to square root. So radius will be plus minus 21. So don't forget, when you are taking square root on both the sides, answer always will be plus minus. But radius can't be negative. That's why we are ignoring the negative values. Then radius of sphere will be, is it clear? First we have to write radius r is equal to plus minus 21. But when you are writing radius can't be negative. That's why I ignored negative value. So radius is equal to 21 centimeter. But this is radius. What we have to find? We have to find diameter. Diameter is double of radius. Diameter will be 21 by 2. It means 42 centimeter. This is the diameter of the sphere. Any doubt, any confusion? Once again I am repeating, pay attention. What is given as the surface area of a sphere is 5544 square centimeter. We have to find its diameter. Very simple. Area of sphere you already know, 4 pi r square. So total surface area of sphere is given. So it will be equal to 4 pi r square is equal to 5544. So radius we have to find. So r square will be equal to 4, and after simplification we will get 441. 441 is the square of 21. So r square is equal to 21 square. On taking square root both the sides, so value of r will be plus minus 21. Because radius can't be negative, so that's why we are ignoring the negative value. So radius will be 21 centimeter and diameter will be double of radius, so it will be 42 centimeter. Very simple exercise. So you have to try to solve, and if there is any confusion, so write in comment box. Thank you.